Welcome all of you. Today we are going to learn about motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line is a topic dealing with motion. So motion in lower classes we have seen that something is moving. So when an object is moving, its state or position changes. Some examples are riding bicycle. You can see a boy riding a bicycle, its motion is changing. The rotation of the fan you can see on the ceiling, it is rotating and it is having rotational motion. So motion is a change of state or position of an object with respect to time. Now we have a frame of reference to define whether the object is moving or not. So if an object is moving, it has certain frame of reference. You can see a car moving by from here. So the ground is a frame of reference which is telling that here the bus is moving. So motion of an object is always respect to a frame of reference. Now here an aeroplane is moving with respect to ground. We can see the tree is stationary but the plane is moving. Now rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? Motion which is along a straight path, is known as rectilinear motion. You can see a motion of a train moving in a line. You can see the motion of insects. Motion along straight line is called rectilinear motion. So you can see another example, rocket which is moving upwards. Okay, so this is also having a straight line motion. So is rectilinear motion always in one dimension? Let us see how is it. So we have two dimension axis, x and y axis, you can see. Okay, so if I take an example of a car, if it moves in one direction like x direction, now if I want my car to move in another direction like this, so is it moving in a one direction? It is moving in one dimension. Can you say yes? We can change the axis and we can say that axis is changed. Now we can see the difference between two figures. Car in first is moving in one direction. You can see 20 meter per second with speed. Okay, in next you can see it is moving with 20 meter per second and making 30-degree angle. Okay, so these are what? These are scalar and vector quantities. Scalar quantities are the quantities which are having only magnitude, like speed and distance, and vectors are having both magnitude and direction as well. Velocity and displacement are the examples. Thank you.